The Portico House, nestled on a verdant acre of land, is a testament to architectural harmony with nature. Designed by DADA Partners, this residence revolves around two majestic Jamun trees, their presence dictating the very soul of the structure. The house unfolds into two distinct courtyards, the bustling East Court, a vibrant hub of social interaction, and the serene West Court, a sanctuary of private tranquility. The East Court, a lively stage for family gatherings and celebrations, is flanked by the house's public spaces. The formal and informal lounges, the welcoming entry lobby, and the intimate puja room all converge here, creating a vibrant and interconnected atmosphere. In contrast, the West Court, a secluded haven of greenery, provides a tranquil backdrop for the private realm of the home. The master bedroom, on both levels, the master den, and the guest bedroom all open out to this serene space, offering a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. A striking limestone-clad wall, extending outwards from the entry lobby, serves a dual purpose. It provides privacy to the West Court from the adjoining driveway, creating a sense of seclusion. Simultaneously, it acts as a guiding element, subtly directing visitors towards the entrance and enhancing the arrival experience. The house itself appears to gracefully dance around the lush canopy of the twin Jamun trees, its design meticulously crafted to maximize the connection with the surrounding natural beauty. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, inviting the verdant landscape into the heart of the home. A defining feature of the Portico House is the series of deep, shaded porticos that line the edges of the tree-facing rooms. These architectural elements, clad in warm hardwood fins and supported by custom-made mild steel H-columns, create a rhythmic and inviting facade. The closely spaced columns evoke the traditional trabeated architecture of India, adding a touch of cultural resonance to the design. These porticos offer a cool respite from the sun and provide a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces.